Bread is everywhere. It's one of those foods that quietly fills our lives, so common that we barely notice it. But if you stop and look around, you'll see bread in almost every corner of daily life. It's in your lunchbox, on your breakfast table, and at every family gathering. Whether you're making a quick sandwich before work or sharing a meal with loved ones, sliced bread is always there, ready to be enjoyed. Sliced bread in particular has become one of the most important foods in the world. It's a staple that crosses cultures and continents, connecting people through the simple act of sharing a meal. But few people know how much technology and care goes into making every slice. Behind each loaf is a story of innovation, precision, and dedication to quality. Every loaf starts with a simple idea. Take basic ingredients and turn them into something delicious and useful. Flour, water, yeast, and salt come together in just the right way to create the perfect texture and flavor. Modern bread factories are full of amazing machines and clever science. These places are a blend of tradition and technology, where age-old recipes meet cutting-edge engineering. These factories can make thousands of loaves every hour. Imagine the scale, hundreds of loaves moving along conveyor belts, each one destined for a different home, a different meal. They use new methods to make bread quickly, safely, and with the same taste every time. Robotic arms and automated systems check every loaf, ensuring that each slice is as soft and fresh as the last. The process is fast, but every step matters. Each one changes the bread in a special way. From kneading the dough to proofing, baking, and finally slicing, every stage is carefully controlled to create the perfect loaf. People often say, the best thing since sliced bread. That's because it changed how we eat. Before sliced bread, making a sandwich or toast was a chore. Now it's as easy as opening a bag and grabbing a slice. Sliced bread is more than just food. It's a symbol of progress and comfort. It represents convenience, innovation, and the simple joys of everyday life. It's there for celebrations, quick snacks, and everything in between. Let's pull back the curtain and see exactly how a loaf of sliced bread is made, from the flour mill to your kitchen table. We'll explore the journey of each ingredient, the science behind the perfect slice, and the people who make it all possible. So, fasten your seatbelt and get ready to discover the secrets behind one of life's simplest, most wonderful inventions, the sliced loaf. By the end, you'll never look at a slice of bread the same way again. Every loaf of bread, no matter how simple or complex, begins with just a handful of essential ingredients: flour, water, yeast, sugar, salt, and oil. These basic components are the building blocks of nearly every bread recipe, whether it's made at home or in a massive industrial bakery. In large-scale bread factories, you'll often find extra ingredients being added to the mix. Things like milk powder, dough conditioners, or vitamin blends are sometimes included to improve the bread's texture, flavor, or nutritional value. These additions help create a consistent product that meets the needs of both the bakery and the consumer. The type of flour used is especially important. There are many varieties: whole wheat, white, rye, and more. But most commercial sliced bread relies on wheat flour. The choice of flour affects not only the taste and color of the bread, but also its texture and how well it rises. Wheat flour is preferred because it contains a high amount of protein, which is crucial for bread making. This protein forms gluten when mixed with water, giving bread its structure and chewiness. Gluten acts like a stretchy net, trapping air bubbles produced by the yeast. This helps the dough rise, creating that soft, airy texture we all love in a fresh loaf. To keep up with demand, factories store massive quantities of flour in towering silos. These silos protect the flour from moisture and pests, ensuring it stays fresh until it's needed. Water is another key ingredient, and in factories it's stored in special tanks and filtered carefully. Clean, pure water is essential for activating the yeast and forming the dough. Oil and sugar are kept in large, stainless steel containers. Oil adds softness and extends shelf life, while sugar feeds the yeast and adds a touch of sweetness to the bread. Salt is stored in sealed, dry containers to prevent it from clumping. It not only enhances flavor but also helps control yeast activity, ensuring the bread rises just right. In modern bakeries, automated machines measure each ingredient with incredible precision. Even a small mistake in the ratio can affect the final product. If there's too much or too little of any ingredient, the dough might not rise properly, or the bread could turn out too dense, dry, or bland. Consistency is key to making perfect bread every time. Some factories add preservatives or special ingredients to help the bread stay fresh for longer periods. These additives can prevent mold and keep the bread soft, even after days on the shelf. Dough conditioners are another common addition. They improve the dough's strength and elasticity, making it easier to handle and ensuring the bread stays soft and fresh for longer. To boost nutrition, vitamins and minerals are sometimes mixed in. This fortification process helps make bread a more complete food, providing extra nutrients that might be missing from our diets. Every single ingredient is tracked, weighed, and checked for quality by dedicated workers and automated systems. This careful monitoring ensures that each loaf meets strict standards for taste, texture, and safety. Once all the ingredients are ready, they're combined in a giant industrial mixer. Here, flour, water, yeast, sugar, salt, oil, and any special additives come together to form the dough. With everything in place, the journey from simple ingredients to delicious sliced bread is about to begin. A process that transforms humble grains into a staple enjoyed around the world. Once the ingredients are ready, giant mixers take over. These mixers are much larger than anything in a home kitchen. They spin and fold the ingredients together. This mixing helps everything blend evenly. It also starts to build the gluten, which gives bread its chewy texture. The kneading part is very important. Machines push, stretch, and fold the dough. This makes the dough smooth and stretchy. If the dough is not mixed well, the bread will be flat or crumbly. The right amount of kneading lets air get trapped in the dough, helping it rise. Some mixers can knead hundreds of pounds of dough at one time. The process is fast but controlled by computers. Sensors check the temperature and how sticky the dough feels. If something is wrong, the machine can stop and alert the workers. By the end of this stage, the dough is soft, stretchy, and ready for its next transformation. After mixing and kneading, the dough is heavy and sticky. The next step is to divide it into loaf-sized pieces. Special machines cut the dough into equal parts. This makes sure every loaf is the same size and weight. It also helps the bread bake evenly later on. The divided dough goes to shaping machines. These machines tuck and roll each piece into a neat loaf shape. Some machines can shape hundreds of loaves every minute. Workers check to make sure each loaf looks right. Sometimes the dough may be too sticky or too dry and workers fix it right away. Once shaped, the loaves are placed into metal pans. The pans travel down a conveyor belt to the next step. Everything moves quickly and smoothly. The pans keep the bread in the right shape as it bakes. Uniformity is key for factory bread. Machines help make sure every loaf looks and tastes perfect. This is where the magic happens. The pans filled with dough go into a warm, humid room called a proofer. Here the yeast gets to work. Yeast is a tiny living thing. When it eats sugar in the dough, it makes bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. Those bubbles get trapped by the gluten and make the bread puff up. Fermentation can take 30 minutes to an hour in a factory. The temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. If it's too cold, the dough won't rise enough. If it's too hot, the dough can collapse or taste bad. Computers help keep everything just right. This rising time is important for the bread's texture and flavor. As the dough rises, it becomes light and airy. The yeast also makes the bread taste better. Some breads are left to rise longer for extra flavor, but sliced bread is made quickly to keep up with demand. After fermentation, the dough is puffy and ready for the heat of the oven. Now it's time to bake. Conveyor belts move the pans into huge ovens. These ovens are as long as a school bus and can bake thousands of loaves at the same time. The heat makes the dough rise even more, then sets the shape. The outside turns golden brown, while the inside stays soft. Inside the oven, the water in the dough turns into steam. This helps make the crust thin and shiny. The high heat also kills any unwanted germs, making the bread safe to eat. Baking takes only 15 to 30 minutes in a factory because the ovens are so powerful. Sensors watch the temperature and moisture. If the bread bakes too long, it gets dry. If it's underbaked, it stays doughy inside. Every second counts. The finished loaves are pushed out of their pans and onto another conveyor belt. The smell of fresh bread fills the whole factory, a sign that the hardest work is done. Hot bread fresh from the oven smells amazing, but it's not ready yet. If you slice hot bread, it will squish and get soggy. Factories cool bread with big fans and cool air tunnels. The loaves travel on slow-moving belts for up to an hour. This lets them cool down evenly. Cooling is important for more than just texture. If bread is packed while it's still warm, steam can make the package wet. This can cause mold to grow. Cooling fixes this problem and helps the bread stay fresh longer. Workers and machines check the bread as it cools. They look for loaves that are too small, misshapen, or burned. Any bad loaves are taken out and often turned into breadcrumbs or animal feed, so nothing goes to waste. When the bread is finally cool, it's time for the step that changed the world: slicing. Slicing bread was once done at home, but now it happens in seconds. Automated slicers use fast-moving blades to cut a whole loaf into perfect slices. Some slicers can cut hundreds of loaves every minute. Each slice is the same thickness for sandwiches and toast. After slicing, the bread moves to the packaging machines. Plastic bags are blown open by air jets, and the bread drops inside. A metal twist tie or plastic clip seals the bag tightly. This keeps air out and helps the bread stay soft. Some bags even have tiny holes to let out extra moisture. Good packaging is important. It keeps bread fresh, stops it from drying out, and protects it from germs. The bags are labeled with the baking date and other details. Then the loaves are packed into boxes and sent to stores all over the country. From flour to sliced bread, the journey is almost complete. Bread is one of the oldest and most beloved foods in the world, a staple that has nourished countless generations. People have been baking bread for over 10,000 years, using simple ingredients like flour, water, and yeast to create loaves that brought families and communities together. But for most of history, bread was always sold and served as whole loaves. Slicing was done at home, often unevenly, making it harder to share or prepare meals quickly. The idea of pre-sliced bread was almost unimaginable. That all changed in 1928, when an inventive American named Otto Frederick Rohvetter built a revolutionary machine that could slice and wrap bread automatically. His invention was met with skepticism at first, but it didn't take long for people to realize its potential. Rohvetter's sliced bread changed breakfast forever. Suddenly, families could enjoy perfectly even slices every morning, making it easier to prepare toast, sandwiches, and snacks. The convenience was unmatched, and people quickly fell in love with this new way of eating bread. Sliced bread made it easy to make sandwiches for school lunches, picnics, and busy workdays. It became a kitchen essential, saving time and effort for millions of households. Toast became a breakfast favorite, and snacks could be prepared in seconds. Sliced bread opened up a world of culinary possibilities, from simple buttered toast to elaborate layered sandwiches. As demand soared, factories raced to add more machines and improve their processes. The bread industry was transformed almost overnight, with new technology making it possible to produce and package bread faster than ever before. The phrase, "the best thing since sliced bread," became popular because at the time, it truly was a groundbreaking innovation. Sliced bread represented progress, convenience, and a better way of living. Today, sliced bread is enjoyed in almost every country around the globe. It has become a universal food, crossing cultures and borders, and bringing people together at breakfast tables and family gatherings everywhere. Modern factories keep improving how bread is made. They use less energy, create less waste, and employ advanced technology to ensure every loaf is fresh and safe. Strict quality control and safety measures mean that bread today is not only tastier but also healthier and safer than ever before. Sliced bread is now more affordable, fresher, and available in a wide variety of types, from whole grain to gluten-free, so everyone can enjoy it. Many bakeries are also adopting eco-friendly packaging and sustainable practices, making sliced bread better for the planet and future generations. Sliced bread is not just food, it's a symbol of progress, innovation, and the power of a simple idea to change the world. It's a source of comfort, a reminder of home, and a way to bring people together for meals and memories. From children's lunches to family celebrations, sliced bread is part of the simple joys of life, making everyday moments special. So the next time you eat a sandwich or enjoy a slice of toast, remember the history, the innovation, and the science that made it all possible. Sliced bread truly is one of the greatest inventions of the modern age.